All right, we're going to sketch the graph of y equals secant x. Now, let's keep in mind that secant x is equal to 1 over cosine x. The cos don't go. So cosine x does not go with cosecant x. Cosine x goes with secant x. And what we do for this is we simply sketch the graph of cosine x. So we sketch the graph of cosine x. And let me do maybe 2 cycles like I'm showing here. And then let me go ahead and label those key points. So this blue part is y equals cosine x, sort of one that we try to memorize. And then what we do is we draw vertical asymptotes through the x-intercepts. And then I make these loops, and those loops represent the graph of secant x, y equals secant x. And that does it. Let me make sure I have all the little pieces here. Here's the y-axis. So the blue is cosine, and then the red is secant. And if you are doing a problem where we're sketching the graph of cosecant x, we follow the same steps, but cosecant x is 1 over sine x. So if it's cosecant x, then we sketch the sine graph and then do the same sort of thing. The vertical asymptotes go through the x-intercepts of the cosine graph. And the reason is because when at the x-intercepts, cosine x is equal to 0, so you have a form of 1 over 0, which leads us to vertical asymptotes.